Hey everyone, just wanted to wish you a happy new year, and I also wanted to take the time to say thank you for a badass 2023. We appreciate all of our customers, all the orders that we've gotten, you guys supporting us, watching our YouTube videos, following us on Instagram, sharing our content, sharing our posts with your friends, and just being loving and supporting. So again, thank you, and we're looking forward to a badass 2024. Just thought I'd take the time to give you a little shop tour and show you what we got cooking for 2024. So starting off with this right here, it's a 1966 C10 build that we're doing. Right now we just finished up the Firewall, all custom. We got our manual brake conversion kit going on. We're we're busy, we're working holidays and stuff like that, just whipping up some panels, finishing up some orders. We do make these custom Firewall panels. They're just a nice filler plate. This is actually for a Camaro 67 to 69. We got a 65 to 79 F100 panel there as well, and a couple other ones that we got. This is actually for GTO, and the one underneath is for a Caprice or Impala 76, I believe. So we kind of make panels for anything. So if you guys have anything that you want to make like a Firewall panel for, feel free to send us a template if you can. If you can send us a template, it doesn't have to be perfect, as long as something simple, some cardboard, cereal box, whatever you got going on. We'll be happy to help you out and kind of work with you and make a little panel for you. So keep that in mind. New little tool, just another little finger brake that we picked up. So excited to use that on summer project. Obviously our handy dandy bead roller. We got our mill doing some stuff. Before we show you Jolene, let's just check out this chassis really quick. So 66 two-door short bed GSI chassis that was fully assembled by Arizona High Test. Those guys did a phenomenal job putting all these parts together, plumbing it. Our buddy Rick took care of the exhaust up there. Super badass chassis that's going to be going on that. And if you haven't figured it out already, it is an LS with the 409 look, 409 valve covers. We're going to be doing a round intake for it. Nice CVF front drive kit, real badass. Jolene, I do have like a full update video coming up on this. I'll just kind of give you like a quickie on it. Just to bring you up to speed, if anybody's new, it's a 1972 Ford Crew Cab sitting on a 2008 Super Duty chassis that we modified. Running full AccuAir air management, dual tanks, big, beautiful Willwoods. Method 20-inch wheels, 38s. This is on our Super Duty air suspension, but this is going to be the debut of the lifted version. So you can see already we got dual 4-link action going on. Nothing much going on the inside just yet. We got an I did it column. We got beautiful upgraded Dakota digital gauges. We're going to be running a manual brake conversion kit. This is going to be the new HD version, heavy duty for big trucks like this. So if you need some room in your braking system, we can accommodate that for you. Running our Willwood stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't wait. This thing's gonna be amazing. Long time coming for sure. If you don't know, it's an LBZ Duramax. We're working with D-Max Swap to be putting this badass engine and this combination together. Really awesome solutions. That's enough for this. And we got 64 F100 that we have been working on for a while. We're gonna be jumping back in on it here. A lot of update videos on this, a lot of build series stuff on this, so be sure to go back and check out some of the footage on here. We did start working on the bed a little bit. Just finished up some of these floor panels. We're probably going to make some little compartments for it. Working on the AccuAir system and getting that mounted. And then the big boy, just taking a little break on this, but we're actually going to be jumping back on this as well. Got a Firewall that we're going to be whipping up, and going to be doing some upgrades to it. We got a nice sexy turbo, Stealth 64. I'm just welding the Vangeon HD flange onto it really quick, and then we're going to be doing a CP3 conversion kit to it. We're going to get that on there so we can fire this thing up, make sure everything works good, and then we'll go ahead and finalize everything. That's pretty much it for now. We do have the 300ZX coming back this year, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. That's going to get fully done, wired, painted, tuned, all the good stuff. You can see a sneak little peek of the van. We'll probably be getting back on that this year as well. Stay tuned for those goodies. And then I'm sure we'll have some other stuff in between. A lot of shows coming up too. We'll be taking Jolene out to all those shows. That's about wraps it up. So I just wanted to say thank you again to everybody and Happy New Year. And we're looking forward to an amazing 2024. So stay tuned.